Hello, my name is Bryce, and I'm with the company Lawo, L-A-W-O. It's a German company, so that's why we pronounce it Lawo. And we're here showcasing some audio consoles and video infrastructure that all works over SMPTE 2110. So here we have an mc²36 console. This is kind of one of our more entry point consoles in terms of size and surface. It's a 384 channel console, so it might be small but still extremely powerful. This is a console that you might find in live sound environments, in house of worship market, in performing arts centers, as well as large-scale broadcasts. So a lot of people know Lawo in the past as a broadcast console, and certainly has a large broadcast footprint. But here in Europe, we actually have roots in high-end classical and orchestral and fine arts recording. So it's really known for its performing arts roots, and that's my role here at Lawo in the U.S. is to show where it is applicable in performing arts here in the U.S. So excited to be here at InfoComm. Our website is www.lawo.com. Please check it out. We'd love to talk more.